Hello friends, in this video we are going to see the demo of Spyder IDE. IDE stands for Integrated Development Environment. So I have to launch the Anaconda Navigator. I am selecting Anaconda Navigator. It will take few seconds. From the Anaconda Navigator, we have to choose the Spyder IDE, Spyder Integrated Development Environment. It is a powerful Python IDE with advanced editing, interactive testing, debugging, and introspection features. We have to select this launch button. So this is the Spyder IDE. So this area is a known as a editor pane. This is the editor pane. We are able to create the scripts here, and so this is IPython console pane. So this is an interactive mode. This is the place we are able to give a interactive commands. So here we are able to write the script. So this is a script mode. This IPython console is an interactive mode. Here editor pane is for the script mode. So we'll see the first interactive mode. If I type something, I'm typing print hello world. So I'm getting output hello world. A equal to 10, B equal to 20, C equal to A plus B. So I'm printing C, just I'm typing C, I'm getting an answer, the value of C equal to 30. A plus B is added, the value 30 is stored in the C. To clear this IPython console, you have to right click it, you have to choose clear console. This is a one way. The another way is, I'm typing welcome. Okay, here if I type a clear command, this will get cleared. The interactive mode will get cleared. So this is the IPython console is for the interactive mode. For a script mode, to write a Python program, you have to choose the file. From the file, you have to choose the new file. Okay, it will get a new file will get open. So it is known as an untitled. You have to give a suitable title until otherwise when it is created, it will give a untitled. So it is the name is untitled 3.5. You have to save it. Go to file and select save. Here I am creating a folder demo. Within this folder, the type of the file is a Python file. I am giving a name test. Okay, now my script mode is ready. I am printing print hello world. To increase the font, you want to zoom it, increase the font, press Ctrl button and scroll up your mouse. The font will get increased now. It is very clear and visible. So next, print welcome to Python programming. Next I'm typing print my first Python program. So now 3 print statements are written. You have to save the file. For saving this, you are able to use this icon this icon to save the file, or you go to file menu and choose the save. Okay, file menu you have to choose the save, or you can give a control yes. In this way you can save the file. So once you type your command, you have to save the file. Okay, now to run a file you have to choose the run button. So run button is here, this symbol, the green button is to run the program. Otherwise you have to go to the run menu and you will choose the run option, or you will give the F5. So this is the way you have to run a program. So I have run the program. I'm clearing first, before running a program, I'm clearing the console and I run the program. I'm getting output, hello world, welcome to Python programming, my first Python program. So here we will, some an editor mode is there, we will have some useful command. So undo and redo is there. To undo means what I type, what I'm typing, I'm typing something. Okay, I'm typing something here. I want to undo it. Go to edit and undo, it will be removed. Again I want to redo it. I can select redo. So this is for undo and redo. So shortcut key Control Z is for undo, Control Shift Z is for the redo. Now we are having a cut, copy, paste. Okay, we are able to perform the cut, copy, paste, and to select all the content of the file you have to give the select all. Okay. So now we are having a comment and uncomment. So I am selecting the statement. Okay, one statement or more than one statement. Go to edit, select comment, it will get commented. That means the statement will not get executed. I save the program and I run it. Now see that the two statements which I get commented are not running. The two statements which I commented are not running. I am just getting my first Python program. Next, to undo a comment, select them, go to edit and remove the, it is control 1, or can give control, remove the comment. Okay, here we are having a control 1 is a shortcut key for comment and uncomment. To add a block of comment, you go to add a block comment. Okay, a block will be added like this. Next, an indentation. I'm selecting the statement, go to edit, when I give an indent, okay, it will be, an indent will get created. To remove the, go to edit and unindent, the indent will be removed. So indent and unindent. Uppercase and toggle uppercase and toggle lowercase. So everything is a key. Okay, everything is a shortcut key. Toggle uppercase. So I'm selecting a statement. Go to edit and toggle uppercase. So everything will be in uppercase. So there is showing an error because print statement is not an okay uppercase statement. That's why showing an error. Everything will be converted as a uppercase. Then I want to convert it as a lowercase. Edit, toggle lowercase. Everything will be converted, including the content will be converted as a lowercase. That's it. This is the foundation for how to do programming in the Spyder IDE, integrated development environment. So we will discuss some advanced features of the Spyder IDE in the forthcoming videos. Now to exit from the Spyder, go to File and give Quit. So it is modified. It asks us to save the program. I give an S. It gets saved now. Now you go to Anaconda. To get from the Anaconda, go to File and give Quit. We are able to quit from the Anaconda. That's it. Thanks for watching this to my channel. Share, comment and press the bell button.